How about a fixer-upper with tons of potential on 15 beautiful acres? Well, stick around till the end because you're going to want to see every square inch of this hidden gem. About an hour straight south of Nashville is a town called Lewisburg, Tennessee. And in Lewisburg is this 3-bedroom, 3-bath custom home with 3,600 square feet. Now, this property needs a lot of work, but it's got great bones and a great layout. Now, upon entering the house, you're going to find to the left the laundry room and then the main level bathroom. Across from the bathroom is the study. Now, this study also has a wet bar. And throughout the house, you're going to find wallpaper. This house was built in 1984, so there's a lot of wallpaper in it. So, that needs to go. But it has so much potential. All right, here we have the kitchen. And like I said, this house needs some serious updating. There's a soffit, it's only got a 2-burner stovetop, laminate flooring, but it's got an eat-in kitchen with a great view to the outside. This has 2 pantries in it. Look at the space, look at the room. I really love the layout of this house. It's got so much potential. I'm going to say the word potential a lot through this video. Okay, moving on, we've got the living room, den area. It's funny, it has shutters on the inside of the house. It's not something you see every day. They're actual shutters that really work. Okay, here is the formal dining room. It's really a great size. You could put a nice big dining table in here. It's got a great view of the stairs. It's got room for, you need to update the chandelier, but it's really nice. This is called a sunroom. They're calling this a sunroom. I don't really get that so much. It's more of a schoolroom or another den office area to me, but I love it nonetheless. It just needs new paint. Now, this is a custom built house, obviously, but I love how they showcase the stairs in this house. It's done really well. Pictures don't do this justice. Pictures don't do houses like this justice ever, but you've got to see it. It's great. You're going to love the view of this bay window coming up. I think I got a great shot of it somewhere in here. The view of from this property is why you buy properties like this. It's so incredible. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full baths upstairs, and I was surprised I didn't find any attic space at this house. So there's that. Okay, here is the money shot. This is why you moved to Tennessee, right there. So beautiful. I wish you could really see this in person. It's got a nice balcony on top of the house, out the windows. Okay, here's one of the bedrooms. It needs some serious updating, like I said. Most of the windows are wood, and a lot of them need replacing. Rot has set in. This house has been sitting for some time unoccupied, so it's just withering away and waiting for someone to come in with some inspiration and fix it up. I mean, look at that 80s wallpaper. Okay, here's the garage. Wood paneling on the garage. I love it. This garage is huge. We're talking big time. It's got covered storage inside. I could have made a minute-long video on the garage alone. All right, and here's the pool. Brand new decking. The pool is in great shape. It's covered up because this was November when I shot this video. And here is the porch. Just waiting for some rocking chairs. I mean, look at that view. Can you imagine? I was here until the sunset too, and it was, let me tell you, right over that tree line is where the sun was setting. It was amazing. 15 acres. Goes beyond that tree line. I didn't get any footage of it, but if you're standing on the front porch to the left, just on the other side of the tree line, is about a 4 to 6 acre pasture, and they've got cows in it right now, and it's gated. You can access it from the road or access it from the property directly, so this is a pretty large estate. If you like watching videos like this, please like and subscribe. I post video tours on my channel all the time. And if you have any real estate needs in the surrounding Nashville area, please reach out. Let's connect. I'd love to talk to you about real estate. My name is Scott Davis. I'm a licensed realtor in Tennessee. I'm with Hive Nashville. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.